In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Privacy Badger for the new Microsoft Edge web browser. So let's open up Edge. Sometimes you can find Edge down here on the bottom taskbar as a little blue and green icon, or you can find it on your desktop here again, Microsoft Edge. You can also use the search box here, just type in Microsoft Edge and it should come up. If not, you can click on the Windows icon and go down to the letter M, and under M you should see the Microsoft Edge web browser, so click on that. So to install Privacy Badger, what we need to do is go to the top right hand corner and click on the three dots here, then select extensions from the list. Then we want to find new extensions, so click on the green icon here, get extensions from Microsoft Edge. Then we can use the search box up here, so just type in Privacy Badger and select it from the list. So Privacy Badger basically helps to block invisible trackers when you browse the internet, so it's a good add-on to have with your browser. So simply select Get from the right hand side, select Add Extension, wait a few seconds and it should install it. So once it's been installed, you should get a little screen which pops up and you can take the tour if you want to. You can also see now that the Privacy Badger icon is up here. So basically that's how you install it. Thanks for watching.